Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there lived a small green creature named Boba. He wasn't like the other creatures in his galaxy. Boba had a unique helmet and a jetpack that made him stand out. He was a bounty hunter, just like his father, Jango Fett. Boba was determined to be the best bounty hunter in the galaxy. Every day, he practiced his aim and flew through the air with his jetpack. But despite his hard work, Boba felt something was missing. One day, while on a mission, Boba found himself surrounded by dangerous creatures. He fought bravely, but it seemed hopeless. Just when he thought all was lost, a strange light appeared. The light came from a tiny, glowing orb. It floated towards Boba and landed gently in his hand. As soon as he touched it, he felt a warm, comforting feeling. He looked at the orb and saw a bright, shining star inside. Boba realized that the star was giving him strength. He felt braver, stronger, and more determined than ever before. With newfound courage, he turned to face his enemies and fought with all his might. The battle was long and hard, but Boba didn't give up. He used his skills and the power of the star to defeat his enemies. When the dust settled, Boba stood victorious. Boba was hailed as a hero by the galaxy. From that day forward, he was no longer just a bounty hunter. He was Boba Fett, the hero with the shining star. Every night, before he went to sleep, Boba would hold the orb and look at the shining star. It reminded him of the day he discovered his true strength and the day he became a hero. And so, Boba continued his adventures, always carrying the shining star with him. He may have been small, but with the star's power, he was the bravest and strongest creature in the galaxy. The end.